of persons, living or dead, is entirely coincidental. Assumptions made in the analysis are not reflective of any other entity other than this class. This play doesn't mean to glorify or exaggerate any of the events taking place, and it is expected of the audience to understand the gravity of this issue and take away the appropriate message.
This barren city, these roads slick with tears, these sidewalks cracked, and mountains in every direction. In this barren city, where anything can grow except goodwill towards the hopeless, the shattered, the broken, and tattered. To the many who call these streets their home tonight, no bed to rest your weary bones, no place to wash off bad decisions, hoping tomorrow you are able, tomorrow you'd have more strength and someone in your corner. To them and others, I say unto you, the city might be barren, but you don't have to be. The streets might be cold, but your heart isn't. The hope that rises with the sun will lift you from the pavement and raise the dead in you.
It's been 3 weeks, Rehan. It is mandatory for you to keep attending these sessions until we find out how you feel. And this will only happen once you start talking to me.
How much longer will you make me come here?
That is totally up to you, Rehan.
What do you want me to tell you? I've told you everything I know.
Rehan, tell me how you feel.
मम्मा मम्मा अरे मम्मा मम्मा सुन लो
क्या है रेहान?
टिफिन
Isn't your dad supposed to make you
यार
We're already so late. I just give you money, okay? Hello? Hello? यार रेहान, कितनी बार बोला है जब ऑफिस का कॉल आता है तो डिस्टर्ब मत किया करो. He hung up the phone because of you.
What do you mean disturb मत करा करो? You're always on your phone, mom. And if you're not on your phone, you're at your office. Disturb करना पड़ेगा. अरे भाई चलना दृष्टि तू क्या कर रही है?
पढ़ रही हो रेहान, तू भी पढ़ रही है.
दृष्टि शॉर्ट ब्रेक चल रहा है.
रेहान 15 दिन में फ्री बोर्ड्स हैं. तुझे भी पढ़ लेना चाहिए.
कहाँ से ड्राइव आती है दृष्टि? शॉर्ट ब्रेक में पढ़ रही है.
Yeah, Rehan, don't you get it? If free boards don't go well, we won't get the stream we want. And if we don't get the stream we want, from there on it's downhill. And 10th and 12th ki grades do matter. આજકાલ most colleges don't even consider anybody below 97%. Have you seen the cutoff list? And if you don't do anything now, you'll not be able to do anything in the future. Remain average. You think you can live like that? Anyways, I'm sorry, I don't even know I'm saying this to you.
It's okay, it's okay. चल काम आ.
I sighed. It feels so heavy. I'm tired, my body says. A mountain range of burden and pressure every day. Soul floating in the wind. A broken glass-like heart. Marathon of thoughts and waterfall of tears. I just can't take it anymore. School is like a place of gamble. Going every day is like placing a bet. Having an unsure future after efforts have been made. I'm done with these hardships I'm going through. Cutting ties with friends and family. Shutting people out is like a hobby. Getting used to all the moments. I'm alone anyway, so I bother.
और भाई कैसा है?
बढ़िया यार।
थैंक यू।
मेरे मॉक्स आने वाले हैं। ट्यूशन आजकल बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हो गया यार।
यार तुम इतना स्ट्रेस क्यों लेता है? थोड़ा तो चल कर आता है।
हाँ यार तेरी बात तो सही है वैसे। चल एक काम कर, आज छत पे आ जा।
छत पे?
तू आ जा, देख बताता हूँ। फिर अपने माँ बाप को फोन कर।
ओह, लगता नहीं आ पाऊंगा यार। फैमिली डिनर है।
चल ठीक है।
बाय।
I try. एक बार try करने में क्या problem है? Does it give them a thrill? Do they enjoy themselves? क्या इससे उनकी problems दूर हो गई? Were they also stressed when they started? Will it make me a bad person? और अगर मैं अपनी help कर रहा हूँ, अपना stress relieve कर रहा हूँ, तो क्या वो गलत है? Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe there's a reason why mom and dad talk about it like a definite no. But how do they know what's right for me? Maybe my friends do. वैसे भी they look happy. How bad could it be?
आज तो पूरा दिन बाहर थे। मॉक्स आ रहे 15 दिन में। पढ़ना वढ़ना नहीं है।
पापा प्लीज, अभी ट्यूशन से आया हूँ। डिनर टेबल पे प्लीज।
1 घंटे की ट्यूशन की। Don't you have to study more? I need an answer, Rehan. This is 10th grade. It's not a joke.
डिनर टेबल पे इतना शोर मत मचाओ।
Why don't you say something? He needs a reality check.
और क्या बोलूं? You're already saying everything that has to be said.
अपने बेटे को थोड़ा सा टेंशन दे दिया करो।
What do you mean, Shashank? I don't pay attention to him.
I don't think you do so.
How can you talk to me like that in front of Rehan? How is it possible for me to take care of home and work entirely?
You need to learn how to prioritize, Aarti.
Seriously, you are telling me how to prioritize?
My parents broke my heart before friends, boyfriends, or girlfriends ever could. They loved me so much, they held on so tight until I could no longer breathe. But no one is safe in this world. I am a war. I am the border between countries. I am the collateral damage. I am the paradox that joins the two, but also splits them apart.
Hello?
हाँ भाई आ रहा है।
चल आ रहा हूँ।
छत पे आ जा।
अबे ये क्यों?
तू ही तो बोल तू स्ट्रेस्ड है। सारा स्ट्रेस हो जाएगा।
Are you guys serious?
भाई, it takes it all away from me. Try तो करके देख।
चल या फिर किसी को बताइए मत यार। यार तुम लोग ये क्यों करते हो?
क्यों करते हो?
क्यों करते हो?
क्यों करते हो?
हम लोग ये क्यों करते हैं? सही बात है। Why do we drink alcohol when it tastes like hell? And why do we smoke cigarettes that burn our throats? Why do we mess with our minds and with our lives and disappoint everyone who cares? We do all this just to forget for a little while who we are and who we've become, what our lives have become. Welcome to self-destruction.
Most of us have witnessed the outward signs of heavy drinking, the slurred words, stumbling walks, and memory lapses. People who have been drinking have problem with their coordination, balance, and judgment. People who have been drinking also react slowly to stimuli, which is why driving after drinking is so dangerous. All of these physical changes occur because of the way alcohol affects our brain and central nervous system. Alcohol affects our brain chemistry by influencing numbers and the amount of neurotransmitters we have. Neurotransmitters are chemical signals that are sent throughout the body which control thought processes, emotion, and behavior. Neurotransmitters are either acceleratory, which means they increase brain activity, or inhibitory, which means they decrease brain activity.
ओरे मन बदू तो बाबरा है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है बाबरे, क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जा, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, नैनों को मूंद मूंद जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, धीमे बोल कोई एक तारा धीमे बोल कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा। सुन रही हूँ सतबुद खो के कोई मैं कहानी, पूरी कहानी है क्या किसे है पता, मैं तो किसी की होकर ये भी न जानी, रुत है ये दो पल की आ रहेगी सदा, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, नैनों को मूंद मूंद, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, धीमे बोल कोई एक तारा धीमे बोल कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा।
Locked inside these walls of addiction and hurt. Locked inside these walls of addiction and hurt. Powerless to break free from this new secretive life of yours.
All you ever wanted was to toss aside your problems. Instead, you signed up for a time much worse. Haunted by your troubles, stepping towards overdose, the walls continue to grow bigger. As time passes by, the struggle only gets harder. With each passing day, yet, you insist on continuing. Telling yourself, freedom will be tomorrow, and you will free yourself from such sorrows. You're trapped by the powerless drug life that you thought would set you free.
अरे मेरे भाई
रेहन ये क्या कर रहा है यार?
अरे ले
छोड़ दे यार रेहन, ये तेरे
अरे ट्राई कर, मैं कह रहा हूँ
छोड़ यार रेहन इसको, छोड़ ना इसको।
दिमाग गिरा देंगे यार।
ओह,
हाय भाई कैसा है? आ जाओ।
और यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ? कल रात के बारे में भूल गया?
सॉरी यार, वो आगे से नहीं होगा यार।
अब तो ठीक है।
ठीक ही हूँ यार अब।
तो तेरा हर जगह मजाक बन चुका है, ये देख। ऑनेस्टली मैं तेरे बारे में और कुछ सुन नहीं सकता।
हम तोड़ गए जब तुम झुके,
मैं इनसे आर्ग्यू भी कैसे करूँ, वो कहीं ना कहीं सही है।
क्या बोल रहा है यार? तुझे भी लगता है ऐसा ही मन?
नहीं यार, आई नो यार वो पर्सन, लेकिन एक बार अंकल और आंटी के बारे में सोच, वो कितना बुरा लगेगा।
I need to talk to you, beta. About what? About what? There was a call from the school saying there were inappropriate videos of you circulating the whole grade.
So, what do you want me to say?
What has happened to you, Rehan? You're not the child that I raised anymore. You've changed. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you?
Rehan? 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 You need to tell me how you feel.
I'm fine.
Most of us are pretty average at most of the things we do, but it's the extremes that get all of the publicity. We kind of know this already, but we rarely think or talk about it. And we certainly never discuss why that could be a problem. Our lives today are filled with information from the extremes of the bell curve of human experience, because that's what gets the eyeballs, and eyeballs bring dollars. This flood of extreme information has conditioned us to believe that exceptionalism is the new normal. And because we're all quite average most of the time, the deluge of exceptional information drives us to feel pretty insecure and desperate. Because clearly we are somehow not good enough, so more and more we feel the need to compensate through entitlement and addiction.
We are the generation of the broken children, of the beaten but walking, of the real pain and the fake smiles. Thanks for never asking, I'm not fine. We are the generation that needs pills to get through life, with accidental overdoses and uncontrollable cravings. With these orange bottles and these white coats, don't ask me why some people are disturbed. Ask me why some people just aren't. Because we are the generation that drinks alone to quench the pain. Drugs coursing through our veins, making the sadness go away, making the entire world go away, just to feel a little less lonely in this school full of people. We are the generation of the academically competitive. But that comes with the panic attacks. The straight A's come with the hollow eyes and the silenced hearts. We are the generation that skips meals when we should be skipping stones. Weighing scales weighed heavy with self-hate. Because we are the generation where whispers are a little too loud, where smiles are a little too fake, children are a little too hateful, and emotions are a little too suppressed and denied. We are the generation of the future.
रुक जा, तू छोड़।